We made it. Happy birthday, babe. Man, she's massive in person. Alright, when you're close up, it's actually a lot smaller than when you think. Getting real, babe. Heading into checkout time. Woohoo!
I thought if we had... It's okay. It's like,
yay! Thank you! And yeah, Robert.
They're both there, yeah.
Here we go, babe. We're coming up the boarding pass. And there she is. Woohoo! Here's the birthday girl stepping on board. And she's made it across. Whoa, start the adventure. And we're on. All past everything. Alright, so we just entered. And so we're going to have lunch until the room's ready. So we ended up in Enchanted Summer, having a buffet style breakfast or lunch. Hello. So the first meal we had at this place was a buffet style one. It was a bit gone already, but I had the bolognese chicken. It was a killer. You had the garden salad, and now into some desserts. We've only been here 20 minutes, and the staff are super friendly. It's so good. So even just coming off the lift, just walked through. Thought this would be a window to outside the port, but man, it's just like the Royal Garden. Oh. Party.
I have just one. Help me out, please. Yeah? Ready?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So that was the set sail party. That was heaps of fun. Have a little dance. And then on the way back, there's the castle there. Get some better shots later. I think we're all just overexcited at the moment, so yeah. And again, that's like 3 stories high, so it probably looks a bit smaller on the video.
Yeah.
Alright, heading to the room. So exciting.
Look at the Mickey count.
Yeah, we'll do a little hidden Mickey count as well. They're everywhere. So there's our room.
Mine's not here.
Here's our room. Alrighty, here we go. Sorry, but I'm gonna smash your feet. Man, this is roomy.
It is roomy.
Got a Spider-Man backdrop. Spider-Man picture, so we got the Spidey-Man room. Oh, someone's left a Zootopia magnet here.
Oh look, we can see our
And here's our view. We got it right at the very front of the boat. We got a nice ocean view. Yay!
Yay! Suitcase, I reckon, got my hair straighteners in there.
Oh, we've got free gift here. We've got some Disney Adventure inaugural card holders. And what's in here, babe? We've got a little tote bag. Inaugural sailing tote bag. Oh, that's cool. And another bag. A bag inside a bag.
Bag inside a bag.
You know them ones. That's cool. Alright, so now we're going to head to the Coral Reef Gardens. Oh, I can see it from here. Look at that. It's coming, it's coming, it's coming. Oh, a bit further to go. Hang on. Oh no, we're here. Oh my god, look at this. Look at it. Hell yeah. Oh, the kelp. Oh, the bubble tea cafe. Grill. Got Nemo's. Sorry. Wow. So if this wasn't my favourite place already, with all that coral garden, got that bubble tea place, which inside of that is going to be wicked. You got the chicken burgers, beef burgers, kebabs. Look at that, like 3 stories high, that one as well. I'm in love. All the details. So we both end up going to Cosmic Kebabs, chicken shawarma, and veggies. Alright, so we're gonna go into the bubble tea place because it looked like it was wicked in here for the videos. Oh, we went wrong, look at that. Straight out. Oh yeah, this is the colour scheme for me. Look at that. Hey. Not even details, this is just a dead corner, but they've just gone to the effort of putting decorations there. Now we'll head up to a mosaic. I mean, this, from the movie Luca. Not Luka Doncic, but yeah, Luca. You're just walking all through here, like the Dean said, it doesn't even feel like you're in a cruise ship at all. It's just amazing. Now here's Wayfinder Bay, the Moana section. Cool little statue. And there's a view of Singapore City from the cruise ship. There's a Mandalay Bay, is it, babe? And
Marina Bay.
Marina Bay, sorry. And I don't know what the Ferris wheel's called, so I'll just call it Roy Orbison, Big O. Cool little picture of the painting of the ship. It shows everything that's like halfway cut down. Off to the theatre for the first show. What's the show called?
To help us provide
queuing
the
up.
best service possible, kindly ask.
And who's first up? Alright, you're at the waiting for the first show to start. I can't remember what it's called again. Sail Away Party or something, but very excited. Look how beautiful this is. But yeah, we'll turn off when the show starts. So that show was called Disney Sees the Adventures. So good. Epic, eh? And the signature statue of this boat is Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. So we've got Snow White here and her wishing well. I'll get a better photo later tonight when it's not so busy. Happy birthday! So I like to do hidden Mickeys on the boat, so we'll try to find one. There's one in the love heart, the Mickey silhouette. Hidden Mickey in the carpets. I'm not exactly hidden, but alright, so you just come back and we've got a little towel animal. We've got Wally, some chockies, and don't know what this is. What is it, babe?
Let's open it.
Oh, it's top secret. Don't know if we'll be able to film it. Oh, cool, it's a little comic book. And a collector thing inside there. Or maybe a card or something. It's top secret, but... Oh, postcard.
Postcard. That's cool.
There's the castle at dusk. Walking back down into the garden. Where are we heading, babe? We're just sussing the boat out for a little bit, waiting for dinner for a little bit. So, yeah, kill a couple hours. So, yeah. There's Fantasia, Mickey statue for the garden. We'll film that later. And then heading back down into the garden. Look how cool that is. Man, look at this. That's just one of the stages, the garden stage. Steamboat Willie. And then another arch up there with all the characters. Monsters Inc, Goofy, Donald, Lady and the Tramp. Is it Foxtopia or something? Minnie, Daisy, and the Warthog and Meerkat from Lion King. I can't remember the name at the moment. Hakuna Matata. And then from the garden part, you walk through this sick little hall. Look at this. This leads you to the coral garden. And then, yeah, leading through into this. Oh, dude, look at it. Man, wait till night time. Epic. I'll bring you back down at night anyway. Alright, so from here we're going to suss out or go to San Fransokyo Street from Big Hero 6 movie. So yeah, it's meant to look like Tokyo or San Fransokyo. I always get that mixed up. But yeah, we'll go check that out now anyway. And no, I'm going to find the team later. They sell Louis Vuitton on the Happy birthday! And again, I don't think I've been on a cruise ship with so many escalators. Are there any cruise ships with escalators? Let us know if anyone, you know, Mum, you know more about cruise ships than anyone. Let us know, Mum. More escalators. Woohoo! Another escalator and more escalators. But it is some pretty cool art, eh? And here we are, San Fransokyo, at the metro station. Dude, the vending machines. Got the train map. Is that the Singapore monorail one?
Looks like.
Vending machines. Oh. Be right back, folks. Look at this cool arcade going. Packed with kids, as it should be. That's cool. That's the teenagers club, so I won't film that. Cherry blossoms, something about cherries. Oh, that's another teenagers club, so I won't film that. Oh, look at that. Keep walking down. Comic book of the month. Look at the detail they go to. The cafes.
Look at the
So cool. And then this is the way to the cinemas as well.
Oh, baby, you can get your coffee here.
Okay. Little booth there. Oh, here's the tram. And Duffy and Friends, that seems pretty popular. I've never heard of it. Well, I don't know. And then the cinemas. So this one you actually have 4 movie theatres. Cinema 1 and 2.
11 o'clock.
3 and 4. So I might come back watch that later tonight. This is one of the cinemas.
Oh, look.
All Baymax themed out, obviously. If you can see it. Dude! It's a Cinema 4. Don't know if I'm about to film because I think they're showing a movie. So. Well, there's no one in. Sneak peek in number 2.
I'm losing Bonnie to this device.
We'll go for a quick sneak peek in Cinema 1, see what's going on in there. Quick sneak peek.
It was intense.
The hoppers looks cool.
So, may as well crank out a game of Uno while we're sitting in the tram. And there's Heroes Workshop. Hey, there's this little first droid looking thing. All these arcade games over here as well. So, Bacha Coffee, the amount of flavours inside, and we had a smell of the aromas, and they were so good we had to get one. So look how they come. That's killer. So you got a little cream there, you got the sugar stick to mix it up, and then I've got a strong hazelnut. So I'm over the moon. Yay, I'm not sleeping tonight. And this is for all your kids to get done up. It's called Bippity Boppity Boop. Boutique, sorry. Bippity what? Bippity Boppity Boutique. Now let's head outside, see what's happening. Oh, it's dark already. Yay! Hello, ocean! Oh, I've missed you. Happy birthday, babe!
Thank you!
Coffee before I wait for dinner, listen to some tunes.
So suddenly, I'm another stranger. Comes and it goes, and I'd rather live with you. It's human nature. It's
Tonight at dinner, we're at Animator's Palette. So in this restaurant, you get to, you have to draw yourself or draw yourself a little character before you get served. So let's see what we come up with. camera will pick it up, but there's Mickey holding the napkins. Don't know if the camera's got to pick it up. There it is. Got the chicken satay skewer for the entree. And Dean's gone, what's that?
A bow.
What?
A bow.
A bow.
Yeah.
Yummy. Found another hidden Mickey. You can see him in the
Bread basket.
the bread basket. There you go. Found two more hidden Mickeys. There's some in the cupboard here. There's one in the centre of the film reel there. Remains, I've got the butter chicken. And Nadine got the scones.
Yummy.
We'll start with Nadine's, because look at that. Salted caramel cheesecake. Yum. And I've got the cookies and cream sundae.
There's mine, there's mine.
Right. What do you reckon, babe? Did you have fun?
I had heaps of fun.
Happy birthday!
Thank you.
Very famous singer from Philippines singing a song for you. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, ta! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you very
And
much.
that's very, very special gift from me. For you, from my side. It's new one, right?
Oh, new one!
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Things like calculating.
Turn it around.
You know the Sunday? It's -10.
Hey, look at this one. Ariel. Mini scuba diving.
Airport, they put luxury tax.
Got Nadine in the element there. Yeah, you'd have to pay tax on it when you come back. Another little hidden Mickey upside down. Got Wayfinder Bay at night time. Another outdoor stage. Don't know if I picked this one out yet or not, but a blue carpet Mickey.
Okay.
Excuse me. Here's a bird's eye view of the garden stage. So we're on level 17 at the moment. And then we're in the outdoor theatres, you get one on each side. This one we're going to have a look at the Pixar Market restaurant, just have a look, not eat. Alright, one of our favourites is Inside Out. One of our pups, Riley, is even named after it. So how cool is this? And then even you got all the memories. Loving it. Got the poster there. Alright, so I got told this one's got restaurant's got 4 sections in it. So this one's inside out one, and then we go into Coco. The whole thing changes again, the carpet, everything on the wall. If you're wondering why it's so quiet and there's no one here, it's like very early hours of the morning, so. This section's going to be cars. Got all the headlights and tail lights and that. All the carpet is a racetrack. And then this section you got the Monsters Inc. Again, all the whole theme changed, carpets, lights, all the frames. Ooh, what's this one?
Turning red.
Turning Red, never heard of it. I'm guessing again it's based on, because we're in Singapore and stuff. I don't even know if it's a movie, never heard of it. This is actually pretty funny, this one, because when we first got Disney Plus, it was the same time our pup Jordan started watching TV and barking at any animal on TV. And she hated this thing, Piper. She would cut sick at the TV. So this is pretty funny. Oh, now we've come into the Finding Nemo section. So check out the carpet, or coral. Oh yeah, nice Crocs, bro. See, got all the kelp, all the frames. Oh,
Hey Sherman. Sydney, Australia.
yeah, boy. Oh, check out this little coral garden. See, it's all the little bits that make it so cool, hey? All these little bits.
Wait, there's another section.
Hey, mate. Alright, so there's definitely more than 4 sections. So now we're into the Incredibles section. I haven't seen this movie, so I don't know much about it. So yeah, sorry, I don't even know what that is. This restaurant's going and going. Now we're in another section, Ratatouille. So again, carpet changes up a bit. I think this is meant to kind of resemble a 5-star Michelin restaurant from the movie. Yeah.
That is wicked.
Got a Pizza Planet on board. Yum. Oh, we can film the pool sections now because yeah, no kids around. So there's one of them. This one was the Sunnyside pool. Got a running track up there as well. Couple of jacuzzis. There's one of the water slides, Toy Story Splash Zone. And then in here, there's the bird's eye view of the castle at night. Epic. There's where the slides come down. Flying Saucer Splash Zone, another fun area for kids that can film now. I wish I could go on this, but unfortunately there's like age limits and crap like that. Bloody rules. Alrighty, here we got a little go-kart track. Pim Quantum Races with some This one's called Groot Galaxy Spin. So obviously not operating right now, so I'll show you tomorrow, but a killer. I'm Groot. This one's the Iron Cycle test run, the roller coaster. But yeah, not working at the moment. Everyone's spewing about it, but hey, that's life.
50 bucks credit.
Oh yeah, actually we got $50 American onboard credit because the roller coaster's not working. But like I say, in the words of Darren Hinch, that's life.
That's love. I'd prefer the 50 bucks credit to be fair.
Yeah, I'd rather $50 credit, especially after we just went to Universal as well.
Yeah.
That place was called Marvel Landing. There's part of the roller coaster anyway. And believe it or not, the roller coaster itself is a hidden Mickey. So I'll put a screenshot up, hey, of the yeah, the hidden Mickey. Can't get up there at the moment. There's one of the funs at night. There we are, there's a better shot. Don't tell anyone, but I climbed over the hand railings and then jumped up a couple stories, did a Spider-Man, and yeah, got the shot. But here's a bird's eye view of the Coral Garden. There's the castle at night from close up here. Again, the video is not going to do it any justice. This thing is massive. I see a Mickey ear on. I'll see if I can't circle it on the video. Yeah. And another little hidden Mickey in the carpet here. It's cool how everyone decorates the doors. Looks so good. Oh, here we go.